Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel Cikgu Hazim Official, and here we are on the second video of Mathematics Chapter 1 IGCSE. So on the second video here is actually regarding fraction and decimals. Alright, so what is the relationship between fraction and decimal? It's nothing much, but this video here is how you could understand better and how you can make your working quicker, okay, by memorizing all these fractions to decimals, which is this fraction here is actually a fixed fraction that it must be that decimals. But how do you press it in decimals here is that how do you change it? We press it in the calculator, like 1 over 2 or 1 divided by 2 here. We know that if we press it in the calculator it will appear 0.5, but these are all the fraction that usually come out in exam. Okay, so if you ever see this kind of fraction and if you memorize all of it here, you will make your working quicker. Alright, so I hope and I suggest you, I highly recommend you to memorize all these things. Alright, because it's very simple. So 1 over 2 must be 0.5. 1 out of 4, 0.25, or which is we call it a quarter. Alright. 2 over 4, which is 2 quarter, but 2 over 4 can be simplified as 1 over 2, it's still 0.5. 3 quarter, which is 3 out of 4, is 0.75. 1 out of 5, or 1/5, okay, 1/5 is 0.2, 2/5 is 0.4, 3/5 is 0.6, 4/5 is 0.8. 1/10 is 1.1, 1 out of 25 here is 0.04, and 1 out of 50 is 0.02. Just memorize this thing and it make your life easier, okay? And then, like I said, how do we really do it manually here? It's actually not really manually. We just press everything in the calculator. So fraction to decimal here, use calculator. Alright, so for an example, I'm not going to do it all here, but I'm just going to do it not maybe it's a bit weird here, which is question number 9, or maybe how about we do 17, 1 out of 5 here. Maybe we do it 319 over 100. Yes, we can do it manually, but why we do it manually since we have a calculator? How do we do it? First of all, number 9 here, alright, or which is we have 5 out of 12. How do we do it? Just press in the calculator, 5 divided by 12. 5 divided by 12. What did you get? 0.4166666. So we have a recurring decimals here. If usually recurring decimal, you can either put it in recurring decimal or you can just round off to the nearest 3 digit or 2 digit. Okay, if you nearest to the 2 digit here, 0.416 and then recurring here, you can put it like that, or you can put it like this, approximately 0.42. That's you can do it. So that's how we change from fraction to decimals. Okay, what if we actually question 17 here, where we have a mixed number? How do we do it? How do we do it? Here is actually we put it everything in the fraction in the calculator, 1 and then over 1 out of 5. This kind of calculator here, you need to press this thing 2 times. So what did you get? Put it change here, then you're gonna get 1.2. That's how it is. Okay, and lastly, number 24 here, we have 319 over 100. What if you have this kind of calculator? Even this thing is going to make your life easier. So you press shift and then you press this fraction button. Then you will appear this tree diagram like that, which is mixed number. Just put everything in the calculator. 319 out of 100. What did you get here? You appear like that and press this S and D button here. You get 3.19. That's so simple. Very simple. Okay, and the rest of it you can do it, but it's very simple, nothing much here. And how about to change decimal to fraction? The same thing, put it in the calculator. Alright, for an example I'll do here, it's 0.52. Alright, 0.52. So 0.52 here, if you put it in the calculator, 0.52, or you can straight away put 0.52, it appear the same thing, no problem. It appear like that, and you press fraction button, it appear like this. So number 30 here, 0.52, when you press in the calculator, it appear as 13 over 25. You can do it manually. For an example, if you truly want to do it manually here, let me show it to you. Number 33, where it appear here, it's 0.84. What does it mean, 0.84? It means that it is 84 over 100. Do you really want to do it manually? 84 1 over 100 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. It's tedious. It's wasting your time. Straight away press in the calculator. It's 0.84. That's also skip 0. It's also skipping the time here. So it will be press fraction 21 over 25. Even easier. How about mixed number here? For an example, what do we have is example 35. 35 here we have 3.95. It's the same thing. 3.95, press equal, then you press this button here, we get 319 over 20. 319 over 20. If you want to put it in improper, you just press shift and then this fraction, you get 79 out of 20. But yeah, that's how it is, depending on what is the question are needed. But this is all about your understanding, and is all about how you can skip and how you can make your mathematical operation quicker. And this is all just basics. Okay, I hope that this video helped understand you, and if you do enjoy, you can press, and if you do enjoy, you can put a comment below, and you can hit the button like, share and subscribe for more video. Okay, and that's all from me, Cikgu Hazim, and thank you. Bye bye.